Hello, good morning. Warm welcome to your My Investment Mastery series. And today I have an important topic to discuss, which is financial planning. A lot of us know the importance of it. Today we're going to talk about how we can do it simply. Okay, very, very simply, and if we can explain it simply. Because if we can't explain it simply, trust you me, we don't have it. So today that's the conversation that I'm going to have, and I'm going to wait for my people to join so that we can begin on this important conversation. Hey Pooja, good morning. Love that smiley coming in, and I love those hearts coming my way. Please keep sending them in, guys, and everybody who's joined, do acknowledge your presence. Hey Nihara, hi, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the country, city, world you are in. Very, very good wishes for you. Hi Jyoti, good morning. Hey Mukta, good morning. So tell me guys, today we're going to talk about an important topic. Okay, and the header for that topic that I'm giving is, if you can't explain your financial plan in 30 seconds, then you don't have one. Okay, that's the topic up for discussion today. I'm repeating the topic. If you can't explain your financial plan in 30 seconds, then you don't have a plan. So start typing what is your financial plan. Okay, everybody, it's now your chance to explain in 30 seconds what your financial plan is. So start typing. Mukta is saying, wow, what a topic. Yes, that's the topic today, Mukta, for discussion in our community. Hey Usha, Rokya, Tanvi, Gitanjali, good morning. Start typing. Let's see who can make it first. Okay, 30 seconds for you to explain your financial plan. And if you can't do it, you don't have a plan. Start typing. Hey Meenal, good morning. No, that's not a plan, Jyoti. This is a target. 100 crores by 2042. This is a goal. This is a target. I'm talking about a financial plan to get there. Okay? And Jyoti, this is for you. If you've done mountaineering, then you know that when you're climbing the mountain, you don't look at the peak because that overwhelms you. So the plan is how to take the next step forward and the next step forward and the next step forward. Okay? So jump in, write down that plan in 30 seconds. Hey Rajeshwari, Sarita, Sri Lakshmi, welcome, good morning. Today the topic for all of you who are joining in late is, if you can't explain your financial plan in 30 seconds, you don't have a plan. So start typing, what is your financial plan? Okay, Meenal is saying, my financial plan is building my financial pillar strong and generating cash flow from there. Got it. Meenal, can you explain that a little more? Okay. Go ahead, take 30 seconds, explain it more. Tax savings, ELSS, NPS, invest in mutual funds, Tanvi, start investing in stocks this year, start a travel fund. Okay, got it. Rajeshwari, I make money grow to meet all my financial commitments. Okay, but how? Guys, you're talking about your goals, milestones. I'm talking about the plan to get there. Getting debt free by 2025 is a milestone, right? Building a travel fund is a milestone. It's a goal. But what's the financial plan to get there? Okay, Pooja is saying saving bit by bit consistently with discipline and achieving financial freedom in the dedicated time. Jyoti is saying, oops, got it, wondering how to crunch it in 30 seconds. Yes, and if you can't explain it in 30 seconds, you don't have a plan. Okay, each one of you. Mukta, 4 mutual funds, SIP and lump sum, 7 stocks, brilliant. Gold bonds, 10% of equities, NPS and PPF. Yes, bingo Mukta, now that's a plan, right? These are all the investments that you are doing to get there. Now add savings to this, okay? Maximizing your savings, maximizing your income. And that's your plan in 30 seconds. Mukta, good job. Yeah, Maya, save consistently. Hey Diksha, good morning. Okay, Usha. One, investment in mutual funds, health insurance for now. You have a better idea once you're done with the course, sure. Wish I get it. Ritu, hi. Nidhi, consistency in investments, regular studying, watching and hearing you, sure. Yeah, watching, hearing, participating with your community in discussions. Nihara, set goals, invest accordingly in equity, okay. Debt funds, balance and stay invested, got it. Save and invest consistently, Nidhi. Yes, Kaveri saying Mukta has it. Super. Yeah, good morning, Kaveri. Gitanjali, start saving, grow the financial knowledge and have a good emergency fund. Grow money, consistent investing in stocks. Got that. Mukta is saying, yeah, Mukta. Maya is saying, yeah, Mukta. Sarita is saying, I have got few properties which are not giving me enough return. I will sell them and invest in mutual funds and buy shares. Brilliant. Yes. I'm glad our community is learning, Sarita, that properties are not investment in the current space. Yeah. Rima, hi. Kaveri, first the pillars, financial foundation, sure. Health insurance, debt freedom, and then invest according to your risk appetite. Sure. Nidhi, 3 mutual funds, 8 stocks, emergency fund, health insurance, and stay consistent. Brilliant. Now that's it, right? 30 seconds and your financial plan you've explained. So I would give my votes to Nidhi and Mukta, okay? And Kaveri is pretty close. And yeah, Sarita has a plan which is very, very, personalized. So has Gitanjali, right? Nihara, you need to dig deeper. Nidhi also. Nidhi, Nihara, Jyoti. Pooja, yes. Saving you did share, but more needed. Okay. Tanvi. Yes, Meenal. So earn, save, invest. Most importantly, learn. Be conscious, spender and repeat. Got it. So I'm going to repeat. I'm going to share a couple of lines that I wrote for all of you. Okay. If you can't explain your financial plan in 30 seconds, you don't have a financial plan. So if you can't explain how you will manage your money and how you will invest it in 30 seconds, you're not going to stick to it. Right? Because it's unclear for you what needs to be done. Because if it is clear, you're going to explain it in 30 seconds and not more than that. So I'm repeating this. If you can't explain how you manage your money and invest it in 30 seconds, you're not going to stick with it. And good luck on trying to get your partner on board. Your partner is not coming on board if you can't explain it absolutely clearly in 30 seconds. And when I looked back to, a couple of thousand women that we've supported with their money and financial education in the last 10 years, I can tell you that, the conventional wisdom which is there, that get on a budget, get on a budget, keep a tight budget and then stick to it. I don't think it works. Like if you notice in our Money Gym program, we don't even talk about budgeting. Yeah, we don't talk about budgeting because it's like dieting. The moment you're told you can just eat this much and you can't eat more, oh my God, there are hunger pangs and your body begins to resist stuff. Your mind begins to play with you. And so I never believed in the world of dieting and I never believed in the world of budgeting and constraining yourself. No. Yeah, so I know this, okay? Using the willpower and forcing yourself to stick to a budget is not something that we need to be doing. In fact, what we are doing in the Money Gym and in our Money Gymmers community is exactly the opposite. Yeah. So if you really want to win, what you need to do is simplify everything. Okay? If you really want to win at finances, make sure you're simplifying stuff. Like really put it out simply. Like, when I was writing this, I was making notes for this live, then I could see that I could hear Barack Obama. I once heard him and he said, okay, I'm quoting him. You will see I wear only grey or blue suits. Barack Obama said this. I don't want to make decisions about what I am eating or wearing because I have too many other decisions to make. So he simplified his life on this front, on the eating front, on what he's wearing front. Okay, because there are many other important decisions waiting. So, don't use a lot of willpower is what I will say. You will succeed when you don't use willpower and you will put things on autopilot. Simplify stuff, put it on autopilot. Yeah, just build daily routines, daily healthy habits with money. And each one of you know with the Money Gym program, what are those daily habits you need to build? What are those daily routines you need to build with your money? So basically, you need to simplify your life, build daily routines, build daily habits, and after a while, you will notice that the Money Gym system, your life, it will all come on an autopilot. And when that happens, you need less thought. Okay? You will be thinking less. You will be consciously using your energy less. And it will become more an automatic process. Okay? So this is about the investment mastery for today. Please start typing. What are you taking away? What are you understanding today? Okay, Tanvi saying same is with Mark Zuckerberg. Yes. Kaveri saying rather than budgeting, think whatever money comes in, whenever it comes, whether it is 1 rupee, 1 lakh, just think 50, 30, 20, okay, 50% essentials, 30% enjoyment, 20% investment, sure. Usha is saying, I'm just loving being in this community, sure. Ritu is saying, I salute Women on Wealth for all the motivation. We love you and I love you. I love each one of you. Thank you for being here. What an absolute joy it is to have women taking charge of their finances. My heart just sings every time I see you guys because, women are not seen as wealth creators and you're changing this world, each one of you, by being here and creating wealth and, demonstrating to your family, your friends, your people that you're financially educated and you're taking charge, you're breaking barriers. So, know that I love each one of you. Yes, Meenal is taking back habit building and putting finances on autopilot. Jyoti is saying thanks for the nudge, Priyanka. Sure, it's a privilege, Jyoti. Jyoti is saying I just sold a low yield property. Will put my head to it and rework the Excel as to how to apportion the money amongst the various avenues, largely stocks and mutual funds or two. Sure, Jyoti. Gitanjali, you're saying simplify things? Yes, absolutely simplify them. No budgeting, no dieting. Yes, none of that. Okay. Make the routine the habit in terms of money. Yes, the daily routines, the habits. Once you have that in place, trust you me, your money life is going to rock. Your entire life is going to rock. Rupal, you joined in late. You'll check the recording. Seems like a nice session as always. Yes. With our community, how can any session be not nice, right? Okay, guys, has everybody shared? Has everybody shared what they're taking away? And now please start typing shared after you share this video. I want each one of you to write with this video that you are financially educated, that you are a woman and you're taking charge of your finances, and that you are inspiring, encouraging more women to take charge of their finances. So how many of you are sharing this video? Type in shared and type in why you're sharing it. Okay? Make sure you do that on your timelines, stories, WhatsApp groups, wherever you're posting. Nidhi, the peace and silence that I can achieve doing these small tasks is something incomparable. Yes. Mukta is saying it is a joy to be able to say the financial plan in 30 seconds. Could not even think about it 3 months ago. So grateful for you, Priyanka and Women on Wealth. Got that, Mukta? Awesome. This was moving. I wanna repeat this for myself more than anyone. Mukta is saying it is a joy to be able to say the financial plan in 30 seconds. Could not even think about it 3 months ago. So grateful. Thank you. Rushali, consistency in aim and effort. Diksha has shared the video. Kaveri has shared the video, and Kaveri is saying, of course, with a teaser line. What is that teaser line for you, Kaveri? Please start typing. What is that teaser line? Because you know how I am seeing it. You know, yesterday I met Rajeshwari and a couple of other community members, and we were talking about how we can just inspire more and more women to take charge of their finances. And she said, Rajeshwari and Ananya and other people said that we need to start sharing with other people on a daily basis, say as a WhatsApp status or in a phone conversation or in a message, that we are financially educated, that we are taking charge. And are you? We are working on our finances. Are you? Kaveri saying ditto with what Mukta has said. Diksha is saying, I am financially educating myself, and hence my kids won't be wasting any time further. Absolutely. We are building the next generation, isn't it? Mukta, Tanvi, Meenal, Rupal, thank you for sharing the video. Thank you so much. Kaveri saying, I asked, what is your financial plan? Simplify it and share the video. Thank you so much, Kaveri. On this note, I'm closing the live. If you've not shared the video, I highly recommend you do. Let us spread the word. Let us make more women financially educated, because financial independence, true independent financial decision making, cannot happen without financial education. Thank you, Payal, for sharing the video. Loads of love, everyone. Take charge. And now I see you tomorrow for the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper right here on your Women on Wealth Facebook page. Loads of love. Take charge and keep working on your finances. Bye-bye.